the garden. Picked up the fencing today. We're gonna do one around the back side and that short side where Sean is right now. We'll see how it comes together. We staked out and spray painted every 6 feet where the posts are supposed to go. This long one I think is about 36 feet, and then that short one over there is going to be 18. So it'll be a nice excuse me, white picket fence around this corner to kind of block out all of this yuckiness, which we're going to take down and make look nice. And then we're going to start on the garden. I can't wait. Sean just tilled all of this up. So the plan is the fence is going to align the whole back corner, and then everything around the flower bed or the garden is going to be flower beds. And we'll have a little like walkway with stepping stones all the way around, and then fence this in with like chicken wire or whatever, and then have a walking path down the middle and plant everything on both sides. This thing is huge. It's gonna look so nice. It's coming along really quickly. Fence going in, looks so good. Did a lot of work today, planted everything in the garden and around the backside. We have barberry bushes and some hydrangeas. And then we planted everything in the garden today. We've got so many things. Couldn't even tell you, but like so many tomatoes in the back there. It's gonna be so great. Sean just has to finish the chicken wire fence around it, and then we are done. This is what the garden looks like now. Everything has weed barrier down. Things are pretty well established. We got the watering system in here. Tomatoes are all in the back. We have zucchini, cauliflower, peppers, carrots, onions, watermelon, cantaloupe, broccoli, radish, cauliflower, I think I said that. Strawberries are over here. It's been a fun little project. I really, really enjoy this.